Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy guide on how to use Metricool. So to get started with a quick analysis about how to use Metricool. Metricool in 2025 is a comprehensive social media management tool that qualifies content planning, scheduling, and analytics across all major platforms. After signing up and connecting your social media profile, you can use its AI-powered features to generate post ideas, optimize scheduling based on audience activities, and even predict engagement with its predictive post scoring tools. The platform now includes the advanced SEO listening for hashtags and mention tracking, along with competitors' benchmark to ensure your performance against others. For teams, Metricool offer a collaboration tools like approval workflow and role-based access, while it upgraded AI-generated caption and metaverse integration ensure your content stays ahead of 2025 trend. Beyond organic content, Metricool help manage paid campaigns with a real-time and ads tracking, together with the ROI predictions and automated bid adjustment. Its cross-platform analytics provide a deep insight, including a newer metric like AI engagement scores and AR integration rate, while white label reporting makes client presentation seamless. The tools also enhance a customer's interaction with AI chatbot automation for responses. Whether you are a solo creator or a marketer's teams, Metricool in 2025 updates like a bulk uploading trend analysis and a predictive modeling streamline social media strategy, save times while maximizing reach and engagement. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this AI powerful platform, which is Metricool. Thanks.